Right here, I have a list of suggestions. Welcome to You Pick, We Spray, episode 3. I absolutely love doing these videos. I am so excited. However, small piece of bad news. Gabe is out sick. I'm running solo today, and we're not going to have his energy to kind of fuel this project. But don't worry, we're improvising, right? Right. Now, I have 6 different color suggestions from you guys, taken from YouTube. What I'm going to do is walk you through each one and explain which different components we're going to try to utilize to accomplish what you're asking for. I don't know if we're going to get them all perfect the way you had it in your mind, but we will try, I promise. First up, 580 dipped ZTH high load with 15 grams of copper. Standard load of ZTH is 25 grams per gallon. High load, I'm thinking like 40. You have 40 grams per gallon of a color powder hypershift. You can throw just about anything in there, and I think it's just going to get swallowed up. So 15 grams of copper might be a little bit low, but I did jam enough burnt copper alloy in there that if we're ever going to see any, we're going to see it today. I promise we'll get as close as we can. Swifty 2844, ZGN over safety cone orange with a double thumbs up. ZGN is a interference hypershift that goes from pink to green. That over orange, I have no idea, but I am very excited to see it. Bad to the Bork, more pink cars. Fair enough. Maybe a rehash of the watermelon color with an unreal magenta and a green interference pearl. I don't have an unreal magenta, but I will make you an unreal magenta. And we will use that as the base and then put green interference pearl on top, and we'll see what happens. Krillin M. I'd love to see a shift that is primarily a deep, vibrant green that goes to silver. No idea if that's possible, but I need it. I also have no idea if that's possible. We've never had a silver shift before, where there was kind of like a silver to green. It didn't really blow my socks off, but here's what I'm going to try to do. And if I miss, you know, the effort was there. I'm going to go with a Tahitian green base for the deep, vibrant green. And then I'm going to put a very light pigment load of hyper silver on top. Maybe that'll give me some green to silvery shifts, maybe not. One way to find out. Right? Right. Batty Cowboy, Jeep's Velocity Yellow is vibrant. I've never seen it, but I believe you. Obviously, you guys know we don't have OEM colors in peelable paint, but our Luna permanent paint line, we make all OEM colors. So right here, believe it or not, is an aerosol with Jeep's Velocity Yellow OEM paint in it. We're going to lay that down, and then we have to put something on top. And if this is as bright and as vibrant as you're saying with these capital letters and exclamation points, whatever goes on top of it is going to have to be like the lightest pearl and most saturated pearl of all time, or you're never going to see it. So I'm thinking an interference pearl, because it has to be interference, and then ZGA is our most saturated interference hypershift. So boom, there we go. Last one, Rob Oliver 9311. I would like to see gunmetal gray with what you say is your craziest hypershift. Thanks. Gunmetal gray base, and me personally, I think our craziest hypershift right now is going to be ZRG hypershift. Thoughts? Right. It's an orange powder pearl that goes from red to gold to green to orange, and it's crazy. And that going over gunmetal, anything can happen. So with all that said, we've got a lot of work to do. I'm ready to go. You ready? Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and I absolutely love doing stuff like this. We get these color suggestions from you, and we never know what we're gonna end up with. So I'm gonna show them to you right now. You know what to do. Take a good look at them, leave a comment below, and rate them for me 1 through 5. Let me know which is your favorite and which ones surprised you. And if you wanna change the color of your own car, whether it's with peelable paint or permanent paint, we have a ton of kits, a ton of colors, and they're all DIY friendly. Head straight to DipYourCar.com. Gabe, in spirit, had a lot of fun in this one. I had a blast. I hope you did too. I'll see you on the next video.